So if you want to change the background using removebg in 2026, yeah, you can do it in just a few clicks without any Photoshop skills at all. First, open removebg in your browser and upload the image you want to edit. Next, wait a few seconds while the tool automatically removes the background for you. Now click the edit button to open background options where you can fully customize the look. First option is a solid color background. You can pick white, black, or any custom color instantly. Next, you can upload a new background image like a city, office, or creative design. Now adjust the subject position. You can move, resize, or center it so it fits perfectly with the new background. If you want a more professional look, try blur or gradient backgrounds. They help your subject stand out more. Finally, click download to save your image in high quality with the new background applied. And that's it. Changing backgrounds in remove.bg is fast, simple, and perfect for creating clean professional images.